We gotta go get your toys. I'm here with this little guy, letting him blow off. Hi! Say hi to your supporters. Say thank you for all the love and support. Well, our supporters. Okay, let's go get your toys from outside. So I just let him come out here and blow off some energy. Yeah, you playing with your toys? Yeah. His dad just got home from work and gave him some cookies. He done got some sat in something, some dirt. He likes playing in the dirt. Got dirt on his booty. What are you up to? What would you like to tell your supporters? Yeah. Where are you going? I don't know what it is, but he has a thing for like puddles of water on the ground. He'll try to kneel down. Yeah, you. I'm telling your business. Yeah, water. He'll try to kneel down and drink the puddles at the park, the little thing that you can sit in that twirls you around. It had water in it. He was trying to drink that. I don't know what's up with that. I guess the good news is he likes water. Because when his dad has, no. Don't even think about it. Yeah, you hear the birdies? Say birdie? Yeah. What you looking at? You gotta get your toys. You wanna get your toys? Yeah, so when his dad has his water bottle just laying out or something, or laying around, he'll go and pick it up and start drinking it. So I think he likes water. Yeah, I'm talking about you. There he goes. He's either going to that little bucket that has water in it, or he's gonna try to play in the dirt. He likes messing with this little bucket here. He stuck his whole foot in it. Come here. This way. Go get your toys. What's he like coming to the trash? You gotta go get your toys. Come on. Go get your toys. Go. We gotta go get your trucks. Thank you. Go get your toys. Go. Go get your toys. You're not coming back here. I don't know why you want to keep on coming to the trash. Go. Now you want to play with the toy. What's up with you? Whatever, that's your toy. You can do whatever you want with it. But I don't want you to get your hands wet and cold. This dude. At this point, I'm gonna just let him continue his typical toddler behavior. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's broken now, because I think it has batteries in it. It like makes a honking sound. Like there's a button that you can click that to make it honk and stuff. It was annoying anyway, so whatever. Oh, it's still making noise. Okay, give me that. You don't want it to get all over your clothes. Why don't you get your other truck? Go. That's enough of this little bucket. Go get your other trucks. Go ahead. Where's your other one? Where'd you put it? Look, there's your trucks right there. Get your trucks. You see them? Go get them. You got it? You put yourself back there. Wait, you got to get your other truck. Wait, you forgot your other truck. You got to get the other one. Try going the other way. You got to go around, son. This way. Look. This way. You got to go this way. See? Over here. You ain't listening. You want to go under the bushes. What is that? No. Throw that. Throw that. Well, it is nature, so as long as it's not man-made. But you got to get your other truck. Look. There you go. Good job. Yay, you got your other truck. What's up with you and these rocks? We got to take your trucks and put them in the bag. Let's go get the bag. Come on. These little outside sessions, they get more and more out of control each day. Dirt and mud on your hands, putting the truck in the water. Yeah, look at your hands. We got to wash those. Let's go get your bag. Can you go get your bag? Get your bag. We got to put your toys in there. Come on. Let's get your bag. We got to collect all your toys. You put the toys in the bag? Good job. What about that? Good job. Toys. Here, let's open that. Oh, sorry. There you go. Woody. Oop. Football. Good job. Okay, let's get your other toys. Come on. Come on this way. We got to get the other ones. The other ones. Okay. Put them in here. Good job. Big boy. Okay. Now it's lunchtime for mommy and you. Yeah, Ruckus? Yeah, we gotta go have lunch. Come on. Well, first we gotta go to the laundry room. All right, tell your supporters bye.
Bye.
We out.